All right, let's look at this question about the distance between two towns, the time spent, and the speed required. This is the September 2024 WASSCE question number 8B. Amaka drove a car from Samoa to Mimpasem at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour and in 135 minutes. On her return journey, she took 3 minutes less to arrive at Samoa. We have to find correct to one decimal place the distance between Samoa and Mipasem, and we have to find the return journey speed. So we know the distance between the two towns in the beginning journey will be the same as the returning journey. Just like from your house to the school, when you are from the school to the house, it will be the same distance, right? Good. So we are having a speed distance what? Time calculation. What is the relationship between the three? We know speed is what? The distance covered over time taken, right? So in this case, the first question is asking for the distance. So we are not going to find speed, but rather the distance. Therefore, if you cross multiply here, your distance between the two towns can be calculated using the speed multiplying the time. Right? So let's look at the beginning journey. From Samoa to Mimpasem, the speed required is 60 kilometers. The time required is 135 minutes. So it means we can easily find the distance between Samoa and Mimpasem just by multiplying the two values. Right? So we can say that speed is given as 60 kilometers per hour. The time is given as what? 135 minutes. So you can see kilometer per hour, 135 minutes, meaning the minute must also be converted into an hour to make the unit of time the same. And we are having minutes to hour, we divide by 60. So this is going to be 135 divided by 60 in hours. We can easily divide this and get a decimal number, but I'm seeing 60 here, so I'm going to maintain that. If I find the distance now, it's going to be the speed, which in this case is 60 kilometers per hour times 135 out of 60 hours per hour, meaning here is divided by 1 hour. So 1 hour will cancel that hour, 60 will cancel 60, and that will be left with 135 kilometers. So you can see, therefore, the distance between Mimpasem and Samoa will be 135.0 kilometers. We have to leave our answer in what? One decimal place. So we introduce 10 to make it one decimal place. I guess that is okay. Good. Then the second part. So let's just say this is the first part. The second part is to find the return journey. The speed, which will be the distance covered over the time, right? The speed is going to be distance. Going in from Samoa to Mimpasem, the distance will be the same as from Mimpasem to Samoa. So the distance is calculated. We know this. The time is that the return journey, it took 3 minutes less than the time he used to move from Samoa to Mimpasem. So returning, it has 3 minutes less than this. So time is going to be 135 minus what? 3 in what? Minutes. So that will be, I think, 132 minutes. But we are going to find the time in what? Hours. So that could become 132 divided by what? 60 hours. So in this one, we are going to divide. I'll convert that fraction into decimal. 132 divided by 60 will be 2.2 hours. So that will be 2.2 hours. So I'll find the distance, the speed, as the formula is already here. The distance covered 135, the time spent 2.2, and if that is being calculated, 135 divided by 2.2, and that'll give you 61.364. So we are looking for the speed, right? Therefore, the speed becomes 1 decimal place, right? 61.4 kilometers. So you're going to have 61.4 kilometers being the speed for the return journey. Then the going to the main pass will be 60 kilometers. I guess the concept built into this is understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.